what is stadiums gonna look like, and when's the first time that full stadium capacity will be tested?
So, LJ, it'll be tomorrow night at the State of Origin, of course, where tens of thousands of Queenslanders will be barracking for their team to, of course, win State of Origin 3. But the real criticism from the LNP right now is the fact that stadiums can be at full capacity, 52,500 people within Suncorp Stadium, and yet some freedoms are still restricted within Queensland. We, of course, know during the election the pandemic didn't help the LNP one bit, nor did its inability to really show a point of difference when it came to hard borders. This is simply why David Crisafulli is now demanding this health advice to desperately show Queenslanders that there is a point of difference between Annastacia Palaszczuk's plan and his plan to move Queensland through the pandemic. In terms of changes today, we'll also see outdoor events up to 1,500 people, indoor gatherings at homes up to 50 people, weddings and funerals up to 200 people. Bars and restaurants can double its capacity across the southeast, but of course that big one is the stadiums as well. So David Crisafulli is saying the health advice needs to show why tens of thousands of people can be shoulder to shoulder, and yet some people don't have some everyday freedoms.
At the moment, we've got a game of footy coming in the next couple of days, so I want to see the health advice that says it's okay to go to the footy, but it's not okay to walk your kid into prep and put a kiss on their cheek and say well done on the first day of school.
Now, in terms of the Adelaide closure to Queensland, we do know the Chief Health Officer says it'll need to be 28 days of no community transmission until Queensland considers reopening to Adelaide, or it'll likely be some time before Queenslanders and Adelaide locals can travel here to the Sunshine State.